Meet Ravish. He runs multiple stores at multiple locations. It becomes hard for him to manage the cash flow of all the 3 stores at once. One day, he came to know about CashBook. There he can create multiple cashbooks from the name of all his stores. In each book he can add his staff of each store as admin, viewer, or data operator as per the requirement. If he wants some of his staff can only view the entries, then he can give viewer only access. And if he gave data operator access, then one can edit or view entries, and above both of these admin can check logs of the entries by members. And he can add or remove members in the group book anytime. So, this is how CashBook saves Ravi's business. If you like this video, please hit the like button. And for more such an informative videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And yes, don't forget to press the bell icon so that you never miss any updates.